Hello everyone and welcome to the complete course of JavaScript. Hope that you are fine, healthy, wealthy and super. So before starting the course, I'm just going to give a short introduction about me, or just I'm going to introduce myself. So my name is Abdul Wahid and you can see just in PowerPoint Abdul Wahid. A short introduction about me. My name is Abdul Wahid and I am teaching online for last 4 years. I have a degree in computer science as a software engineer. It was in college where I first discovered my passion for teaching and helping others by sharing my knowledge, and that passion brought me to online teaching, where my students really appreciate that I take the time to explain important concepts in a way that everyone can easily understand. So as you all, I hope that you are understand now that my name is Abdul Wahid and I am just teaching online for last 4 years. I have a degree in computer science as a software engineer, so it was in college that for first time I have decided to teach others and to share my knowledge with others, and that decide or passion brought me to online teaching. And my students really appreciate me that I take the time and explain in a way that everyone can easily understand. So in next step, Abdul Wahid, so this just my beautiful and handsome pictures you can see. So this me. So let's take a step forward to start about the course. So JavaScript in English, complete course of JavaScript created by Abdul Wahid. So it means created by me. I'm creating course in just Persian language, Urdu language. So this course is English. And next step, we have basic information about the JavaScript. JavaScript is a client-side language. It can convert your static HTML web page into extreme dynamic web page. It works on all major browsers. Sometimes it is a little bit tricky, but you can if you focus. It has many more libraries to make your work easier. So JavaScript is a client-side language. It can convert your static HTML website into a dynamic HTML website. It works on all major browsers. It means that all browsers have support for JavaScript. Sometimes it is a little bit tricky, but you can if you focus. It means sometimes it is a little bit difficult, tough, but you can if you try or if you focus. It has many more libraries to make your work more easier. For example, the one and most important libraries of JavaScript is jQuery. If you are doing or performing a task just in 10 lines of code in JavaScript, so you can do or perform that task in jQuery just in 1 line of code. So this is just the important library of JavaScript. In next step, what JavaScript can do. It can change our complete HTML pages with the new elements and contents. It means it can add dynamic to our web pages. It can add user interface to our web pages. What is user interface? Sometimes I'm sure that you have visited many websites and you can see that user can leave a comment on a website. They can leave a message. They can just share their idea with the just owner of that website. So this is called user interface. So just by using JavaScript, we can just add that user interface on the web page. JavaScript can validate form before submitting. So sometimes you have seen on the websites there is a form, so you are just filling the form and you just forgot to fill just one of the text field and you will just forgot. So before submitting, JavaScript just give a message for you, or just give a error, just filling out this form is required or necessary. So this card just JavaScript can validate form before submitting. And next step, requirements. It means what is the requirement to work on JavaScript. No requirement, just basic knowledge of HTML and CSS is necessary or preferred. A notepad like Windows built-in notepad, HTML pad, Dreamweaver and Notepad++. A software like this. Any one of them you can have, and you can work on JavaScript. I'm just recommending you that you must download Notepad++, and we will work on that. No need to install. We will done this complete course in Google Chrome's browser, so you should download and install it if you don't have. So we will just done this complete course in Google Chrome, so you must download and install that. And next step, we have course outline part 1, introduction to JavaScript. So introduction we have just already done in this class. In next class we will just discuss about JavaScript basics, commands, what is external file in JavaScript, what is data types, what is using HTML text in JavaScript, how we can use HTML text in JavaScript, what is variables, what is pop-up boxes, what is different operators, what is if else statement, what is switch statement. So in next step we have course outline part 2, looping methods, what is function, what is event handlers, what is object oriented programming, what is arrays, what is set time interval, what is document object model, what is event listener, what is form validation. So these all lectures are just important and most important. We will just cover each of them and step by step. So in next class we will just discuss about JavaScript basics. So before ending this video, I am just telling you that we have just worked hard to create this course, and just focus on every lecture, on every single lecture. We have worked hard, and this course is for those who want to learn JavaScript from beginning till advanced. So just we will come back next class and we will discuss JavaScript basics. So till next class, just have a nice time and see you.